This is a tutorial video of how you can create a Zoom live class with the MyClass Campus web and app. So the first step which we need to do is the host or the teacher, whoever is creating the live class, has to open or create or schedule a meeting from the Zoom web or app itself. So right now I have opened the Zoom web app on the desktop, and I shall just go to the schedule meeting option, and the teacher or the host can schedule a meeting from here. Put up the time, the minutes that you need, and select the personal meeting ID which could be used to paste in the later steps. Also the password, you can select the password as per your own and select on schedule button. So a meeting would be created. As you can see here, a meeting has been created over here. Now, the second step which we need to do is go to the MyClass Campus app or web option. Now, we go to the e-learning and live classes. Then we go to the live class option. There, we just need to go to the upload new button, select the department for which the live class has to be created, select the standard, select the subject, select the lesson, and select the topic. Once this is done, put up the live class title as live class standard 4th. And in the video type option, we need to select the Zoom meeting option. Once we click on Zoom meeting, here there will be an option of Zoom meeting ID and password. Here in the I option, if you just place the cursor on it, they can show you an example of how the meeting ID and the password has to be put up. So from where do you get the meeting ID and the password? So you go to the Zoom app, and here there is an option of copy invitation. From there you can copy the invitation and paste it somewhere where you will be getting the meeting ID as well as the password. So I have already copied the meeting ID and the password. So I'll paste my meeting ID over here. This is my meeting ID. You have to make sure that there are no spaces in between the numbers. And now I remember the password as 12345. So here I have put up my meeting ID of the Zoom meeting as well as the password. Then you select the date and you put up the time. For example, now as it's 12:29 over here, I'll just put up the time over here. Select the status as publish and put up the description as per your own choice. So once this is done, you need to just click on upload. Now once you click on upload, here you can see live class 4th standard has been scheduled. Now once you go there and you click on join meeting, what happens is they would show that the meeting has not started yet. So I'll click on OK. So this happens because the meeting has not been started from the Zoom app itself. So the teacher or the host who's creating the live class has to create or start the scheduled meeting from the Zoom app or web itself. So I'll start the meeting from here. So as you can see, the meeting has been started from here. Also, there are some kind of settings over here, like if you want the waiting room, for example, any participant that needs to enter in, you can enable the meeting room over here. Correct. So now I've enabled the meeting room, waiting room. So if any other participants who wants to enter in, it would ask you first, and only then you can admit the participants in. Once this is done, now you can go to the live class platform and start the live class from here. So here now it would show that wait till the host permits you in. So here the option is come. Now I'll go to the Zoom live class, and here it will be showing me the option. So I'll click on admit. Now from the live class itself, you are also permitted into the same live class. Now if the teacher wants, what he can do is he can go to the Zoom live class and make the MyClass Campus Live option as the host. So I'll make this as the host. Okay. So now from the Zoom app, you can leave, or the web, you can leave the meeting. It would not affect the meeting there in the live class option. So as you can see here, Now the teacher is there on the Zoom live class from our own platform, My Class Campus. Now this is only from the point of view of the teacher or the host who's creating the live class. For the students, they need not to use the Zoom app at all. What they need to do is they will get a notification of the live class from our app itself, that is Pocket Study, or through the web. They can go through their account and join the live class from there. Only for the teacher or the host point of view, the Zoom class has to be created from the Zoom app first and then from our platform. So in this way, you can create the Zoom class and integrate it with our platform. Thank you.